Good
Sir,
evening.
my question is whether any default can happen in the debt portfolios of balanced funds, keeping in view the recent episodes of default in the debt fund space recently. So, sir, what is your advice in this regard to the investors of balanced funds? Thank you so much.
Yes, absolutely. Defaults can happen in any debt portfolio, including balanced fund. And balanced fund, unlike, you have different kind of debt fund. And most of the time, those debt funds are invested in government securities, high quality money market instruments. Balanced funds are mostly invested in corporate debt only and relatively higher yield ones. And so there is a possibility, and more so, the kind of economic context we are living in right now. There are companies which are good, they have never defaulted. They might be AA, they might be AAA, or they might be BBB. But changing context, rating is the opinion as of now, and the opinion can change, and so could be the economic conditions or the financial condition of that company. So if companies face rough weather, companies can get downgraded, and that can have an impact on the debt portfolio. Balanced fund can face, but still I would say that balanced funds, because they are 70-75% equity, and we are quite used to 1%, 2% up and down of the equity market. Yes, it will be unfortunate that balanced funds face that kind of risk, that they are facing a default with their fixed income investment, which is not expected in a normal condition. Debt funds, the debt component of a balanced fund is primarily to provide stability to an otherwise volatile portfolio. So debt component of the balanced fund getting a blow will be disappointing, but it will not be very unnerving, because we are very much used to 1%, 2%. Yes, when it happens with the equity portfolio, it makes a comeback. When it happens in the debt portfolio, it goes down the drain, or it gets stuck for a long time. So it can happen, and I don't think we have much way around it. When you are investing in the balanced fund, be a little more selective. We like balanced funds which are, into top quality, and they are not trying to maximize return with their fixed income portfolio. Because the primary role of a fixed income or the debt portfolio in a balanced fund is to provide it stability, not to cause more anxiety.